In the following figure, AC is equal to BD, angle ACB is equal to 100 degrees and angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. Find angle ABD. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. So here is our solution. In this type of questions, the required angle cannot be calculated with the help of given angles. Here, we have to fetch some of the information from the data given about lines. We should assume any one of the angle as unknown variable, and after that, we should try to find a relation between the lines of given lengths which helps to proceed. Extend AC. Take a point E on this extended part such that BE is perpendicular to AE. Let the length of BD is A. Since BD and AC are equal in lengths, therefore length of AC also becomes A. Angle BCE and angle BCD are the supplementary angles, therefore angle BCE becomes 80 degrees. Let angle BDC is theta. Instead, we can assume angle ABD as theta, but after knowing this, angle ABD can be calculated in next step. In triangle BDE, sin theta is equal to BE over A. We get BE equals to A sin theta. In triangle BAE, tan 30 degrees is equal to BE over AE, and we get AE equals to A sin theta over tan 30 degrees. Similarly, in triangle BCE, CE equals to A sin theta over tan 80 degrees. Line segment AE can be written as the sum of AC and AE. Put the calculated values of AE and AC in it. Now A can be cancelled from both sides. We get sin theta over tan 30 minus sin theta over tan 80 equals to 1. Write all of them in the terms of sin and cos. Cos 30 sin 80 minus cos 80 sin 30 can be written as sin 80 minus 30. Apply the formula of sin 2 theta and write sin 80 equals to 2 sin 40 cos 40. Finally, we have theta equals to 40 degrees. Since angle BDC is the exterior angle of triangle BDA, therefore it is the sum of two interior opposite angles. Hence, angle ABD is the difference of BDC and BAC. We get angle ABD equals to 10 degrees, and this was our solution. Let's move to our another question. There is a kind of hydraulic weighing balance which has 3 pans. There are 1000 gold coins and one of them is fake. The fake coin is slightly heavier than others. You can use the hydraulic balance to compare the weight of 3 objects at once but can't get the exact reading of weights. You have to find the fake coin in minimum number of trials. What will be your strategy and in what number of trials you will surely find that coin? This is the weighing balance having 3 pans, which cannot give the exact reading but compare 3 weights at once. Using this balance, you have to find a slightly heavier fake coin among 1000 gold coins in as less trials as possible. Try this question and comment us the solution, and if you have any question like this, then please share with us. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.